Hi fam, and welcome back to our channel Design on the Dollar. I'm your host Ida, and today guys we're going to be decorating the foyer banister. We're going to decorate it in a whimsical candy cane theme, using all the DIYs that we did together. So if you want to see how we put this together featuring should I say, King of Christmas Garland, then just continue to watch. And guys, I am not going to talk anymore during this video because it's self-explanatory. That candle that you see sitting down on the floor is another DIY that I will be putting up soon. So enjoy the video guys, and I will see you guys in our next video. I would really love for you to become a part of the Design on the Dollar family. And you could do that by hitting the red subscribe button and then hitting the notification bell so you'll never miss one of our uploads. I also would like for you to give this video a big thumbs up and share our channel. Please take this opportunity to hit the like button and then click the notification bell so you'll never miss an upload from us. And guys, I would truly love for you to join the Design on the Dollars family, just hit that subscribe button and you instantly become a part of a family that does not judge. So if you want to be a part of a family, then just hit that subscribe button. I really would like for you to do me this big favor. On January 28th, I turned 50 years old, and I really want to have 50,000 subscribers on my 50th birthday. So if you can, share this video with at least 5 people. And if you know someone that does not have a YouTube channel yet, sign them up so they can and get them to become a part of our YT family. I would love to reach 50,000 on my 50th birthday. So that's what I want for my birthday present, guys. So please go ahead, share it with 5 people. Ask those 5 people to become a part of our family so we can reach our goal of 50,000 subscribers. Fam, and at this Christmas holiday season, sharing in the gift of Christ, remember, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you to the moon and back again. And when I tell you this, guys, I truly mean it.